People, let me tell you now what go on in the video. Make the police them and push me. The reason why is because him dead there, I diss up the woman them. Right? Two young girls up on the side of the road and them are telling them to go suck them mama and move from off of the corner. You see me? And you see through me and video him, the boy come to me and tell me say him want the phone. So me not give him the phone. You see me? And the boy start push me and all and pull me with my little daughter and the boy them never business. Just because me I video him, I diss up the people them. Yeah man, I saw you go people. See all the shirt yeah.
You don't see nobody out man.
See all the shirt yeah. Man, I'm tear up all my shirt. See that?
I know you're innocent you my friend.
See that?
People in the comment section. Man nobody
Same
out.
shirt.
I go the
so
out.
I want to people in the comment section talk about me I use the baby as shield. Me they have the baby in my hand before them start harass me. And I'm my daughter. You get me? Yeah, the boy them not even make me put her down or nothing. The boy just start harass me.
No respect to
you see me? Yeah man, no joke. I never use my daughter as shield. One of the police asked me to give him the baby after the boy done push me and pull me and drive me over to the vehicle. I'm going to give the police the baby because I don't want the baby getting hurt. You see me? Yeah man, people, I saw it go.